This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about making crypto in crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making crypto in crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade
crypto. Come on. If you don't understand that, emotion will take you to another place. And now you'll chase the red candle that can't stand you. I hope you guys understand that song. Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Sit down. In crypto. I am excited for this video this morning. I hope you're pumped. We got Pepe talking about Pepe, new all-time highs. Things to talk about in the market. It's insane. This is probably the most I've ever had to prepare for you. Yes, repeat that. This is probably the most I've ever had to prepare for a show in the morning. Could be wrong about that statement, but I really do feel that we have a really good show for you. I hope you're excited about that. Hit the bell, all notification, become a subscriber, become a wolf. To you, good morning, Hugh. I don't have to tell you, hit that like and subscribe. All-time high as subscribers. One day we're going to make big changes. Hit the bell, all notification, become a subscriber today. Right now, Bitcoin Fear Index, Greed Index. Buy the dip, have a sip. We are at 64. We are greedy mother effers. Looking pretty good since yesterday, feeling the same. S&P is down this morning. Rate hike, right? Percentages, rate hikes went up. We know that happened yesterday at the meeting. The Fed met. We're at 600% on Pepe for the week. New all-time highs. If you want to 6 times your money, well, there it is. That's how to do it. Get into the mean before it becomes out of control. Buy the dip, have a sip. We talked about that on our chart. So we're going to talk about that. We did talk about a perhaps 50% pullback. And, well, Pepe did exactly that. There's an hourly chart. So each candle represents an hour. We had a million lines here. We were just doing some other things, day trading, showing the bottoms. But really, we got to pay attention to what has happened. We pulled back 50% off the Fibonacci level here and got a significant pullback to the upside, giving us all-time high. Show me a new high, I'll show you a new buy. Anytime we pass the top here, what we know, it went up. Coiling up, creating some action, hopefully a next leg up, probably to race another zero, as we said. We believe a zero will be erased. So Pepe is stealing the show. What's going on with Bitcoin, S&P, and the DXY? We're going to talk about that in a moment. Well, Pac West be the next bank, U.S. bank to collapse. Los Angeles-based lender share crash over 50%. So big problem here. I do believe that this is going to cause some issues, and I wanted to talk a lot this morning. We're going to do it right into the Instagram because I put all my information this morning for you right here. So let's check it out. Core Scientific filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, but plans to keep mining. Now, why am I speaking about this in December 2022? Well, this is part of the 30% mining tax raise. Why they filed for Chapter 11? Because they already had an understanding that this was coming into play. 30% tax hike for Bitcoin miners, putting a lot of mining companies in a jam. So just giving an understanding of what is happening. If you want to learn and hear more technical analysis, more. And as you can see there, this was December 20th, 5 days before Christmas, 2022. They were filing and they were continuing to still mine. Then some more information. This got me annoyed. Amazon rumor, right, has NFT market about to skyrocket this month. You could possibly buy NFTs as a normal purchase, but we know in May has been a boring sideways, perhaps maybe a down month. So we got to be careful with that. But Amazon getting into it, rumored to launch its NFT marketplace this month. So hit the like and subscribe. We're going to go over it. I want to talk about this right now. I think this is a really, really, really big article that we got to pay attention to. And I went to Twitter to really get in depth of what's happening. So imagine you're going into Amazon. I have an Amazon. I think everyone has an Amazon account. You like to buy things, you need things, and you want to deliver to your house with no issue. Well, this gentleman who's a genius thought of this, and Amazon wants to simplify NFT purchases. You will be able to pay with fiat using credit card. You won't need any technical know-how about the blockchain or self-custody wallets, just an Amazon account, which concerns me because now they have my private keys. So no Amazon, if you don't have your keys, I need my keys. So perhaps there will be another way to purchase from Amazon, then take control and perhaps be able to hold your own private keys, because I want my own keys. I want my stuff stored safely. I want to be able to put things, whatever I can do, have secure all my factors, right? Two-way factors, like all that stuff. You know what I'm talking about. It's very important to be in control. So, but if Amazon is going to back everything and 100% have that in detail writing, we'll be able to think about that and maybe be lazy. So that's pretty exciting. It looks like Amazon is also betting on the future of blockchain. We just want to let people to know that there are 3 assets that are involved, and it's Avalanche, Chainlink, and Ethereum. So pretty wild, giving you a big heads up. Hey, Avalanche, where they're using for the private wallets. They also have Chainlink and Ethereum. So if you're not paying close attention to that, you might want to be careful. Those 3 right there are big indicators. So hit the like and subscribe. Don't have to tell you. Let's get this to be viral if possible. But 590, I can't believe this crypto asset keeps moving the way it is. It's like unstoppable. So let's get into it. The crypto news. We're not done. There's a lot to talk about. 303. 300, probably 305, 310,000 views. What is considered viral, guys? I think considered viral, I heard, was 300,000. Then somebody told me 1 million. In the comment section right here, Hugh, if you're still here, or whoever new may be in, what is considered viral? Could you please tell me what you think is considered viral? Because I really don't know. How many views is considered viral? 303,000 views. That's pretty wild. But here it is. Bitcoin miners have earned $50 billion from blockchain rewards fees since 2010. They may have seen hard times, but overall estimates conclude that Bitcoin miners are up 37% from their activities. Now, what does this prick do next? Biden proposes 30% climate change tax on cryptocurrency mining. Then I go on to say, well, you can't have nice things. Well, nothing new. LeBron James spotted in RTFKT. Nike sneakers clone X NFT holders rejoice. So we got LeBron in the house. Hit the like and subscribe. This news, we come to you every day with this information. And Binance looking pretty strong right now. Hoping to get back to the 550 area, but BNB chain had over 10 million active addresses in April. So if put that into perspective, you want to see, Ethereum had 4.9. So Binance doubling, a little more than doubling what Ethereum is doing as far as active addresses. That might be something for me to pay close attention to. He says, I don't know, but slow and steady wins the race. I do love that method. Hey, I've been talking about it, right? The turtle always gets its ass waxed.
You sure about that?
I'm sure about that.
You sure?
I don't know, but I'm not sure about that. A lot of things. And this is the video that went viral, by the way. And this is hilarious. I hope I could use this without getting a copyright. Tell me this ain't funny.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for coming. We have a couple of things to cover today, so I'm going to try and move really quickly. To start off, why? Okay. Secondly is how come? And finally, how dare you? Okay. Good afternoon.
Yeah, how dare you sell your Bitcoin? Chinese yuan takes over U.S. dollar as China's most used cross-border currency for the first time. So we need to pay close attention to what is really happening. Follow us at wallst.pete. And the viral video, if we talk about it right here, where is it? Right here. 15.5K views. I can't believe it. And of course it helps, right? Someone told me it helps if you got a nice, beautiful, blonde-headed woman that starts the video to get to there. But currently 15.5, almost, I can't believe it. This video actually went viral, and we're gonna listen to my part. And she asked for it. Good morning, Josh. She says, anybody? To elaborate on what she said, you could read what they're saying. So that is a really concerning topic, huh? We got people starving in this world. People killing each other over hard times. The things that go on right now, and we have more time. But the real fucking question is What are we getting from Ukraine? What are we getting in return that we're spending all this money and just giving it away? We don't give shit away for nothing. We're getting something in return. And guess what? It's probably all confidential. So that's a bigger fucking problem. Right now, that's like almost 310,000 views. I cannot believe that this got that many views, that video. Good morning, Gary, to you. So just, I can't, it's pretty wild. I thank everybody much for talking about it. It's a very important topic, and I guess that's what happens here. So we're talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about a perhaps fall here. We're hitting resistance exactly where I have. And this is the fun part. This is where everybody likes to watch. 10 minutes into the video, so which means we're going to do a 15-minute video. We have 4 minutes left, so let's get yapping and talking about the Bitcoin. I think we're going to head down, do some boring sideways action here, but if you pay attention to this red line, this has been the trend as your friend since April 13th. We're now May 4th, one more day, Cinco de Mayo. I think we're going to get a fall, guys. It looks like it. I said the Bollinger Bands are getting tight. Let's pull them up. Let's talk about what Bitcoin is doing. And Bollinger Band's getting tight, like I said. Whoo! Look at this. Look at this ribbon getting ready to snap. So we are 100% getting ready to blow the fuck up or down. Excuse my French, eh? But you can see here, Bollinger Bands getting super tight. Every time Bollinger Bands get tight, 4-hourly chart on TradingView, what happens? We get an explosion. Now, unfortunately, what I see happening here, I see as a downward spike here, downward trend on this red line. So the trend is your friend, and I said the neck is pointing down. So this could be a manipulation to the upside. Fake peak to almost 30,000 again. And then this is where we see the retest of 27.2, and a lot of longs get liquidated, causing something to be more like a long squeeze. So we'll see what happens. Double top formations occurring. How many times do I have to move until I get rid of it? So indicator, very important. Oscillators up here showing that we could be overbought, which would be a problem, because if we are overbought up here, which every time we were on the 4-hourly, we were overbought right about here on this line, that would tell me that it's time to sell. So that would be interesting to see here, as you can tell on this chart. So we just made it and updated it there for you. And every time we'll watch and see what happens, right? Every time it hit this line, what happened? And this is just technical analysis of some indicators I like, and I can't stop doing what I'm doing. I'm sorry. So here it is, overbought right there. What happened? We'll circle it. We'll show you during the time frame. Right there was the time it touched. Another time it touched right here, as you can see, right? Big two touches. What happened? Well, the price came down. What happened here when we got it on the circle? Price came down. So you're getting indicators. You're getting a heads up. Okay, got a problem up here, hitting resistance. Most likely we should pay attention to put a short. So we could get a lip to the upside. As you can see here, another test bounce off this indicator spot. But what I do believe is what's happening is this couple sideways long action, then ultimately looking for a buy down here. When was the last time we got a good buy? Last time was a good buy zone was exactly May 1st from this particular 4-hour zone. It was saying you could get a quick little buy here, and you could see what happened. It ticked up all the way from 27.9. That was the bottom here coming in, 27.9-ish. And it did say buy, and you can see here right into this pattern, 23.9 now. People who are taking the long positions, I'm telling you right now, are most likely going short. So not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. I could leave that up there for you. You could pay attention, see what happens. But this most likely will happen. And then coming into Sunday, not particularly on these specific dates here, as you can see, but what happens, we'll get a down pull. So I do believe that could happen. Total crypto market cap right now, last time we did the video was 1.17. We were 1.2 to start the show. Trillion market cap now looking at the 1.19. And as I said, Bitcoin will now hit resistance, most likely Ethereum coming down with it. And we'll see how much further Pepe could come. What I do believe here will happen, just really quick to get a quick understanding of what you're seeing here. Double top, we got that bearish momentum. I said we could come down to the 84, and then perhaps through here would be scary, but 50% is where I really wanted to go. So we hit it perfectly, went up. Where is the head? Head could possibly be somewhere around there. I'm just really guessing at that to show you what happens. Come back down, right? We'll show you on the right shoulder what could happen, because this is a very high volatile asset moving really quickly, and you can get another pump right from there. So this could particularly happen. Let's see what I want to show you where I think, and this is Pepe. Pepe Yepe. And we're going to end the show with that because it's now 15 minutes occurring. We're going to try. Let me know what you want to talk about in the next crypto asset. What do you want to talk about? And I've had some people say, Chad, I'm paying attention. I'm seeing what you're doing. I'll go back and we'll probably do a video on it. But wouldn't surprise me, guys, if that's what happens. So get ready, Freddie, to eat spaghetti with I guess, Freddie. I said, get ready, Eddie, right? Pay attention to what's happening. Definitely having fun here. But we are ultimately paying attention to what is going on. Could be getting ahead right here. Just trying to give you a big understanding of where we're going. This could be the first leg up, right? This is what happens. And ultimately, as you can see, this pattern will keep going. And then there'll be like the head. And then we, like I said, we could be coming down through. And then you'll find the right shoulder probably to the upside. As you can see, this trend is your friend. Probably find support even here and then come right back. It's pretty accurate of what I think is going to happen. It's very, very clear. If people don't understand, this is why I said we're going to close it with the S&P and the DXY. Doing the same sort of thing. So S&P, traditional markets down. Since we're talking about a few legs down, probably one more leg back down until we get another consideration to the upside. What we're seeing there for the S&P market is the particular head and shoulders pattern, right? And we're now into the bearish head and shoulders pattern being over, looking for the inverted head, right? So now the inverted head would come in. I don't know why it's doing a shoulder. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Trying to do this really quickly. We're ending to the show, and I do hope you enjoy this. There's the inverted head looking for support coming in, and as you can see, right shoulder will build support and then get a boom. Hit resistance right there to about, I wish I had Madden on here. Boom! And that would be right there. Perfect. That would be resistance at 41.57. So that's what we're looking for. Head and shoulders, bearish formation, the inverted head coming in, which would be the bullish version, coming in for the S&P. Hopefully coming back in. As you can see, the trend is your friend to the downside. Currently for the S&P, unfortunately, as we've been hitting resistance at the 41.57. So let's get into that. And then the DXY, considerably, as I was saying, if I showed you the double top formation, well, many of you understand because we talked about it in the past, right? If you watched the video, and I did say when we were trading all the way up here, the Dixie was 113. Could you imagine? Go back to the video, October 20th, in that area, October, perhaps even September. I said, guys, pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting a head formed. It's most likely going to be a bearish formation. This is going to be a long trend. We're going to be making the inverted head, hopefully coming soon, and that's what we're looking at now. But it's going to take a while. We'll see if the DXY dies. Most likely it's going to. So, total crypto market, paying attention today of other things, 61.6%. Pepe is still overall for the day kicking assy bass, now in the top 100. We got Woo, we got FTT, we've got Hex, and we got Kaz. A few of them in the above 10% gains here. So pretty exciting to see that. Very exciting. We had a great day today. A lot of crypto news. If you want to follow us at wallst.pete. Check us out on Instagram, giving news, giving charts and all this type of stuff all day long. A lot of people like to know, who the hell are you? Who am I? And it's not Mr. Boombastic. Just a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange every day. I was such an excited young buck to go here. Peter, couldn't wait to get here. It was pretty exciting. Seriously, we love this place. Postage stamp, proof of purchase. And if you want to check it out, it's now the Van Gogh Museum, 1 North End Avenue, World Financial Center, New York, New York. Go check it out. Right across from Coldgate, Jersey City, Bayonne. To take the Hudson River, New York Waterways ferry across from there. That's what we used to do. And actually, I used to take the Belford ferry. That was like $750 a month to take that Belford. But it would drop me off from where I lived in Belford right off literally to my building, the NYMEX building. It was insane. It was an insane life I lived. But rooting for the Devils. They got their ass kicked last night. Yes, I root for the Giants and the Devils. I'm sorry. I hope that doesn't persuade your way in your crypto viewers and viewing. But hey, I'm open. I'm an open gentleman. I tell you how it is. Every day we talk about the crypto news. Nothing's going to change here, guys. I do believe that May is not going to be a profitable month. I really don't think so. But the NFT market, I think that is going to begin to stir up. Let's find out when it is confirmed that Amazon is now in the NFT market. It sounds like they already bought up Avalanche. It sounds like they bought up some Chainlink. We already know Ethereum's in the mix. So pretty exciting. If there were two assets that I would be very bullish for this year and this bull cycle, Chainlink and Avalanche, I am not going to be able to maintain enough for the first time. And I will tell you right now, I have zero of either one. Guess what? By the end of 2023, I will probably reveal, that's what we're going to do Christmas. Remember, and keep me on to it, Christmas time, Wall Street Beat's going to reveal how many Ethereum and how many Chainlink he has. Because right now I have zero, and that's going to be fun to see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed everything. Enjoyed the news, everything that's going on. Gary, Josh, Hugh, and all the other wolves that were in here this morning. So have a great day. See you in the next video. Take care.